Welcome to 4033 Presidential Drive in President's Landing, Palm Harbor, Florida. This beautiful property is located inside the Lansbrook community, and it features a newly installed tile roof, newer garage doors. The front doors were recently installed just a few weeks ago. Exterior painted. And as you can see, entering a gorgeous view of the pond from a triple sliding glass door. This is the living room, and it connects to the dining room as well, which leads to an office and the master bedroom. This office could also be a fifth bedroom. And here are more sliders and an oversized master bedroom. Featuring 12-foot high ceilings, walk-in closets, his and hers, which also have built-in shelving. This master bathroom was just completed. It's gorgeous. Multiple shower heads. Tile flooring. Soaking tub. Private commode. Stunning. So we will continue to the other side of the home. Which will boast an oversized family room, wood-burning fireplace, lots of natural light, high ceilings, crown molding. Look at this beautiful kitchen with double islands. Each island has its own sink area, large amount of storage, and a nice size dinette area, all looking out at the pool through seamless glass, and there's a door exit as well. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, wooden cabinetry, gas fireplace, double ovens with convection, great for entertaining. Nice feature about this is private door leading back to 2 bedrooms, guest bath, newly renovated. All bathrooms have quartz countertops. This is a really nice feature. It's a Jack and Jill style setup. This is one of the guest bedrooms. And check this out. It has a 3-way bathroom. So the one guest has its own private sink area, walk-in closet, which leads to a joined bathroom with an oversized tub, toilet, and then another private sink area. And here is the 4th bedroom, 2 closets, Coming out of that wing, I will show you another guest bedroom. Excellent for overnight guests, weekend guests. Has a huge walk-in closet and a private full bathroom, similar to the others. As you see, hardwood flooring throughout. Tile in the kitchen, tile in the bathrooms. This beautiful pool area is caged. Nice amount of sitting room. Beautiful pool. And a gorgeous view. This is fenced in as well. If you have any pets or small children, that would be excellent. Special feature about this home is that it provides solar electricity for the entire home. This is especially important if power is lost. You can use it as a generator.